it's everywhere else. Have a nice day. I'll see y'all later.
See you later. See you later,
Almost we are about to arrive.
It's so funny the difference between
Stop. Just about to arrive. Lot of ships also. Yeah.
They sweep right away sometimes. Insanely high, like 40-something knots on it.
Really?
Yeah, they're in a full plane, like they're not even touching the water.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. This is where I come back to. That's like me, right? I'm like, I'm building the monkey, so I can remember where when I want. You know, I'm throwing the celebration.
Very closely you can see the water.
just going to do a quick mandatory Transport Canada safety announcement for you before we hit the open sea, okay? We got life jackets above us in both ends of the vessel. Most of them are stuffed in the bow at the front. The kids' life jackets are underneath the middle bench seats. Alright? Donning instructions are printed on either side here. It's pretty easy. Take the life jacket, you put it over your head, you do the next strap, and then the body strap goes around your tummy in front of your tummy button, not over the life jacket. I prefer you don't use it, see?
She is
You
explaining
can use it when we
the
get to the
safety
dock. How about that, okay? If we do have to rescue someone, we got life rings and throw bags and marine safety training. It's a 10-minute sailing. Right now it is almost 4:30, so we'll be there just before 4:40. And to leave the island, it'll be on the hour. So 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock to get home again. If it's super busy, we throw in an extra sailing at about 1/2 past, okay? 10 o'clock's your last boat tonight. Anybody have any questions? Anybody going to the pub? Yeah? Yeah, very good. Okay, we'll let them know you're coming. What did you go?
Oh, very nice. And this is US yacht. Very expensive yacht. See? The expensive yacht. Very close.
We have 24 on board.
This is the expensive yacht.
What? No, actually, they're really so awesome. So we're keeping that.
Again, just get the water. Lot of tourists like coming here to very old lava. This is the ferry terminal. Yeah, this island. Lot of people from the boat. If you want to go by this boat, you can use it. These people are using. I am just making for the full zoom. Yeah, this is the full two ferries. So very close up that you can see in the another island. So because there are a lot of islands, so you only need to go through ferries and through this type of boats. So this is another island. I have to get the information about this island. Yes. So most of this type of islands has same. Sometimes ocean waves come up to here, so there's no waves. Now you can walk. See, always you see for very small and big on the ocean. And some of their boats using. So amazing. It's a beautiful island, really, natural beauty. People sometimes live the quiet life. You can see the housing, they don't have any walking loop, cycling trail, everything they just manage it. Natural as it is. So some people they like to have the very peaceful and noise-free life, which is why they choose the island. Amazing. Just see this amazing it's all the ocean surrounding by nature beauty of this area. So I am choosing this path to go another way to reach this amazing island. To grazing this thrill to go everyday new area, it's motive for health that you can walk every day at least few hours, and also you can maintain your health. This is very important, which give me a lot of boost So this is amazing. Very quiet island. If you want to walk. So very nice walking on this protection island. It's totally amazing experience. Most of people, they are local residents. People love to fishing and living a quiet life. Especially if you walk in the fresh environment, you can have very good breathing capacity. That I really maintain it, because before it was very hard for me to walk even few minutes, but really now I can walk lot of kilometers without any break. This is a rare sceneries that I am capturing deep British Columbia, the island that you will not see with any videos. Amazing slow motion ocean surrounded by this amazing These are the accommodation front. This house is for sale. If you have money, $2 million, so you have great opportunity to. It is in Protection Island, Victoria. It's a good views. Very nice. Because I am walking surrounding of this island, I will see and show you the south of this island. Lot of boats always making fun in the ocean. See, quite ocean now. There is beautiful and amazing birds that is specialized for fish catching. This bird is a very beautiful, and you can, it's very alert, so walking. This is special fish catching birds. See, quiet water. This area is very quiet water. There is no any problem. Accommodation. Some people like quiet. And they choose such a island. It's a very different island. I did not see any noise, any public. It looked like very quiet. People are just sick of noise and crowded city peoples. They want to enjoy quiet and peaceful life here. So at least I surrounded and see a lot of area. I was not able to see whole, but at least I saw few parts and show you amazing area. This is the safety tower. This is this area, all the accommodation. Wow, it was a great experience. Just I arrived again to the harbor to go back island. Almost the boat is about to arrive. So I have to go there as soon as possible. Tired, too much tired, really. This is another boat. Hello, how are you? This is the boat, small boat, the people.
Alrighty, folks, line your step in out here. If you are going to the cottages to your left, through the gates. If you're going to the island, go to the right up around. If you want to swim, right out over there.
This is the tourist. A lot of people coming. Small boat here, very nice views. Inside restaurant. Oh, a lot of people there.
These guys? No, it's not the same band. I just thought I'd play some bluegrass tribute to them. Yeah.
Very deep water. Very fast. So this is always boats are available for public to ride. Only $14. You have return ticket from island. Very deep water. about to leave this
And there's the patio, which is nice.
island.
Yeah, on Sunday, my friend Hassan is throwing this film screening, which I'll be meeting in town. That's Phil's Deacon film. Around the town. Come on out if you want. Only
Okay. This is the highway. Good evening, the beautiful Wednesday, and that is the stunning, beautiful evening of Victoria, the snowy mountain, and also today is very strong waves of the Pacific Ocean. Hello, good evening. Always I have this opportunity to walk, ocean walk. Sometimes it's a very violent ocean. See, it's an amazing ocean walk. It is good for health really. See how much violent getting from especially this area. So just imagine that you are with me walking this track. huge tree. It's rolling with waves. Because it's strong. It's big. Hello, sometime you see these big waves will bring you trees, and I will show you beautiful and amazing birds. Now they are just walking to the ocean like me. These birds really see. They saw me and going to birds are playing in the ocean. Stunning, beautiful waves. Beautiful scene. Hello, good evening. This is the mall that today just I got some stuff from Walmart, and there is beautiful mall that is the very deep, even 200 kilometers away from Victoria. So you see the mall, it's look like actual the beautiful and biggest